So this is very express like function. If you go to your domain API level, instead of rendering HTML view, this will return a JSON object. Okay, so basically inside the API folder, Next.js knows that anything right inside this API folder is a part of API, so it will going to return JSON instead of HTML. Now let's see it. Similar to regular HTML views, you can create API endpoints under Pages API, just creating a new file, and then endpoint routes are based on the file name. Okay. How do you write REST API endpoints in the Next.js application? By creating a files within the Pages subdirectory, creating a files with the Pages API subdirectory, creating a files within the API subdirectory. Here it is. So we need to create an API folder inside the subdirectory. Now let's conclude it. I hope this article helps in crash course. So we have just done a crash course of React.js and Next.js. Uh, do go through these videos and reading, learn more about React and Next.js. So React components begin with an uppercase letter. When begin uses yes is true. So let's submit it. Okay, great. So we got 100% score. Now let's move on to next section. What is gas and why is it needed? Okay, just see that is there any uh, practical? No, there isn't any uh, any code writing in it or anything we have to do practically. Uh, so we will going to next step and let's see that step, what is mining and why it is done. Okay, so this is also the theory, but you must go to all these steps because these are super important, because you will get uh, these terms in next section when we are doing when we are doing practical, or when we are writing code, then we will have to uh, just see these uh, terms, use these terms, and just need to take care of these gas and mining things. Now let's see how does proof of works section. Okay, there is also a theory and there is a video also that you can check it, and then they into virtual Ethereum virtual machine. Okay, very well defined with the diagrams, so do check them out. Now let's see advanced array syntax and concepts. There's a video also that you can check it. So okay, from in this course advanced array topics, in this topic there are code writing, so we will start from here. So I recommend you to go to this section, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, complete them, then come to section 6. So we will see the details of it and trying to go with the learnweb3.io instructions and solve it and learn it.